Cytokinin hormone. These are induced for cell division. It is particularly a part of cell division in parenchymal cells. The discovery of cytokinin dates back to 1913 when Haberlandt discovered that vascular tissues of various plants contained an unknown diffusible factor which stimulated cell division or cytokinesis. In 1940, Overbeek found that milky endosperm of immature coconut fruits also contained this factor. So many such researches and findings are there. The cytokinin may conveniently be defined as substitute adenine compounds that promote cell division in the plant tissue system. The generic name cytokinin is now used for chemical substances which can stimulate cell division. However, they are known to affect many other aspects of plant growth and development as well. It is utilized in morphogenesis and cytogenesis, organogenesis, particularly in tissue culture. To agricultural point of view, many such researches are there from the viewpoint of tissue culture, tissue techniques, and all the biotechnological engineering tools, the genetic engineering at the part of chloroplast, and beyond that, tissue culture, all are utilized with this growth hormone. Free cytokinin is seen in brown and red algae diatoms, many angiosperms, and a few gymnosperms, but not in mosses and ferns. Certain fungi and bacteria also contain cytokinins that might influence the disease processes caused by these microbes. As a component of tRNA, cytokinins are present in probably all plants. Cytokinin isopentenyl adenine has been identified in tRNA. Fractions of yeast, Escherichia coli, Corynebacterium patiens, and liver cells. It is now well established that the cytokinin is present as the odd base. In structure of some natural occurring and synthetic cytokinin is that here it is containing a nitrogenous ring where alkyl group and alcoholic group are contained. G18 is one of the structures. It is double ring form along with alcoholic group and amino group and other alkyl groups, CS2, CS3, CS2H. Biases of cytokinin. The different biases of for cytokinins fall into 6 groups. First, those which are based on the ability of cytokinins to promote expansion of excised leaf or cotyledons. Number 2, those which depend on the promotion of growth of lemma. Third, those which depend on the promotion of growth of stem and polypeptide sections. Fourth, those which depend on the ability of cytokinin to include cell division in tissue cultures. Fifth, those which are based on retardation of leaf senescence. And sixth, those which depend on pigment formation. Effects: promotion of cell division and organ formation. The major function of naturally occurring cytokinins is to promote cell division. In the presence of auxin, nearly all cytokinins stimulate cell division and subsequent callus growth, which is the part of tissue culture and biological assay. Callus is the part of morphogenesis and organogenesis, tissue culture. In various tools of biotechnology, in the parenchymatous cells from several plants. By manipulating the ratio of cytokinin to auxin, platelets can be developed from the tissue in culture. The ratio may be different in different media. Expansion of cotyledons and leaves. It induces expansion and growth of excess cotyledons in several dicots, including cucumber, mustard, lettuce, radish, sunflower, pumpkin, etc. Cytokinins cause cotyledons sponson by increasing cell size, although increased cell division may also be accounted for some expansion. Promotion of seed germination. Cytokinin promote germination and even break dormancy in some seeds. Lettuce seeds are particularly responsive to cytokinins. The seeds germinate only in light and fail to germinate to dark. The light promoted germination seems to be photochrome mediated as it is affected by red light. Effect on overall growth. Although normal growth and morphogenesis in most plants require free cytokinins, accidentally applied cytokinins fail to evoke any response in many plants. This is possibly because of a significant pool of endogenous cytokinins. Thus, when the source of endogenous cytokinin is removed, the remaining plant part responds positively to cytokinin application. In most cases, the growth of sunflower and pea shoot can be restored. Delaying of senescence. Senescence of leaves is characterized by the breakdown of proteins, chlorophylls, nucleic acids, and lipids, and outflow of the products of other young tissues. The senescence is generally associated by yellowing as chlorophyll is degraded. The senescence or yellowing is accelerated if the leaves are excised from the plant and kept in dark. Promotion of chloroplast development. When applied exogenously, cytokinins promote chloroplast development in callus tissues and excess cotyledons. Tobacco callus tissue developed in dark contain petioplasts devoid of chlorophyll with a with no grana and lamellin. Application of cytokinin in dark promotes lamellar development and if light is also applied simultaneously, grana and chlorophyll also appear. If no cytokinin is added to light grown callus, development of stroma, lamella, grana, and chlorophyll is retarded to a greater extent. Mechanism. The most important aspect of cytokinin action is increased mitosis, which involves increased synthesis of nucleic acid and proteins. Some possible mechanism of cytokinin action is as follows. One, increased nucleic acid and protein synthesis. Here, cytokinin treatment may be induce protein synthesis by increasing one or more aspects of transcriptional and translational activities. One, cytokinins may increase mRNA and tRNA content inside the cell, which are involved in protein synthesis. Number two, cytokinins are known to bind with some specific ribosomal proteins. Third, cytokinin isopentenin, adenosine, or its hydroxylated derivative, G18, is located as a modified nucleoside adjacent 3' to anticodon in plant tRNA. Involvement of a receptor protein and a second messenger. Research a specific protein binding sites in ribosomes. A protein from tobacco and soybean nuclei has also been isolated, which mediates the kinetic stimulation of RNA synthesis. It is proposed that such a protein serves as the site of cytokinin action, and increased DNA RNA synthesis is due to the action of this hormone protein complex. The binding with a receptor protein may also evoke the release or activation of a second messenger molecule. As with other plant hormones, the second messenger may be calcium, calcium binding protein, calmodulin, or polyamines. The second messenger, in turn, may evoke other biochemical responses. This increases enzyme activity as well. Cytokinin metabolism, when we look into this part, it is also very complicated. Biosynthesis cytokinin is synthesized in the root from where they are transported. See here, mevalonate is synthesized into dimethyl allyl pyrophosphate, and that reaches the tRNA, where it is synthesized in the real form of cytokinin. Even adenine and a small molecular other precursors synthesize cytokinin. Cytokinins are synthesized in the root from where they are transported to the shoot via the xylem tissues. Biosynthesis of purine type of cytokinins is more clearly understood than other types. Various components of a purine are derived from several small molecules like formyl tetrahydrofoliate aspartate, carbon dioxide, glycine, glutamine, and methyl dine tetrahydrofolate. The biosynthesis of purine, nucleotides, purine base plus ribose sugar plus phosphate being the ribose phosphate, and the purine ring is built on it. The first nucleotide to be synthesized by this process is Inosine monophosphate, IMP. IMP is then converted to either guanosine monophosphate, GMP, or adenosine monophosphate, AMP. The 5 carbon side chain attaches either to the purine base or to purine nucleotides. In most cytokinins is derived from isopentenyl pyrophosphate.